Seriously, what is your obsession with drinking tea as I go over the speed bump? I'm Mr. Steamchasers.
Hello there, and welcome to this, another adventure video with Steamchasers. This year has been quite eventful so far, and it doesn't look like it's going to get any calmer anytime soon. As you may have seen in last week's video, I started losing quite a bit of equipment. We've suffered quite a few mechanical and technical problems this year. A lot more than we usually do, even with so little activity. The start of the year resulted in quite a bad storm and losing one of my tyres. And now with the current injuries I have, unfortunately Evans is taking up all the driving and he's just blown out his exhaust, as you'll find out in this week's video. On our latest trip to Crosby Garrett to get the 37, I managed to lose one of my cameras, and this week I managed to throw a tripod off a bridge. And of course Evans was very sympathetic, so stay tuned. There's no flying grouse hitting windscreens this week, unfortunately, but something always happens on the Settle and Carlisle.
Right. Oh, you now. Hi.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Bye there.
Do you think the gimbal's broke? Well driven.
Hello there. It's the 4th of August.
It's the 4th of August. And? What's this? A talking calendar?
Say you don't like me because of my bus seats. I don't care what you think, I think they're quite neat. Don't you remember, we built these places on Bus Park. Even the gimbal's trying to kill itself. Welcome back to Steamchasers. It's the 4th of August, and today we're chasing British India Line. Lunds Viaduct, just outside Garsdale Station. Our first shot of the day for British India Line, resulting in one casualty, a £3.95 tripod.
Sound really depressed. One viral for British India Line.
I can't have you. Do you want me to start dabbing? Does I do a bit of dabbing in front of the viaduct? That's what they like now, isn't it? You're not supposed to be happy with dirty drains, aren't we? But from up north, it's bleak. It's rough up north, didn't you know?
You could put that accent on now, and then you just do the Fred Dipper video, it'd be great.
Hey, bugger me, we're at Chimneys.
Exactly.
Just nipped at Ribblehead for part now.